Hey guys, James in here with my man. Say hello.
What's up?
Today we're playing Subway Surfers.
Shout me out. Shout me out.
What's your name?
My YouTube name is capital X, lowercase x, capital A, lowercase almighty, capital G, 13, lowercase x, capital X. Alright.
Well, if you can remember that, then you're awesome. Got a lot of power-ups. I've been saving up my money. I got lots of it. I'm gonna just say that right now. I have got lots of money. I have every character, every board. I don't know what. Look how many keys I have. That's a lot of keys. Got lots of everything. And yeah, just before subscribe and like this video. And lots of subscribers and lots of likes. Oh snap! Look how many gems keys I have. That's a lot of keys. Look how much coins I have. Coins and keys right there. Let's keep going. And after this is done, I'll show you all the boards and all the characters that I have. Or all of them. Look at it yourself, but I'm still going to show you.
We're going to take turns, right?
You want to play?
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll take turns.
Let's see if we can beat each other high score.
Oh, you ain't going to be my score, like 40,000. There's probably people out there way more than me.
It was like 14. It was like 14 million.
I know. If you go to the Facebook on the friends.
Yeah.
Here, watch. Let me die real quick.
You have a lot of keys.
Look it up. Look how many coins I got. Look at this. My top run is 79,000. You see that? I'm going to show the people out there all of my characters. I have everybody except...
You've been playing this game for how long?
I have everybody except for these three. And this guy. Look.
You can't get him unless you got Facebook.
Or her. Don't have her yet. Honestly, don't care about her though. Every single character is unlocked.
How though?
Even that guy. I like that guy.
How though?
Saving up. And look. All of the boards are mine. Not one of them I'm missing. Go in the comment section down below and tell me which one y'all want me to use. I want to use this shark one. It looks pretty cool. Then again, that one looks cool. I want to try this one. It's the very new one y'all can get. I like doing this. Is that really a Family Guy game on the ad?
Yep.
Well, you can tell he likes Family Guy. I took up all of those. So we are going to Almighty. He's gonna play for y'all.
Alright. Let's try. Hey, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Alright, so hold up. Alright, so every time I want when this goes off, right? Okay. Hold up, wait for this to go off. Alright. Hold up, wait a second.
I forget this.
Click on that every time the video goes off.
What,
right?
back?
This right here.
Watch ad?
Yeah.
Why?
So I can actually play. Alright. Alright, so I suck at this game.
Use some starters like I did. Yeah,
you should play.
He's not as good as me. He doesn't even have his game on his phone.
Nope. I usually play UFC and other games.
Oh, there goes the other video. I'm gonna see how this game works, okay?
Please don't.
Macy plays this a lot, it don't matter.
Yeah, I seen her playing it.
You're on 85 out of 100.
I just started.
Is that you?
Keep watching. Keep watching for me. I died.